In this video, I make a Despicable Me keychain for mom. Here you see everything I will use, like adhesive tape, super glue and keyring. On one side you see Agnes jumping up, and on the other side Agnes hugging a unicorn. Now I put super glue on the back of the Despicable Me collectibles. I spread the super glue evenly and put both sides together. I wipe off the excess with a piece of toilet paper. Now I wrap this with adhesive tape to protect the surface. I drill a hole with a power tool. I remove the adhesive tape. Now I put the keyring on. I'm done, and I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and liking my video.